Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video on my top stocks. But I wanted to, before I go into it, share an article here on Yahoo Finance. It says, Rich Dad, Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki, you should never say, I can't afford that. So this was April of this year, and this is him driving, staying by a luxury car here. And it's just awesome. He's a #1 bestseller on personal finance. And some of the ideas that he has are very extraordinary. I'm not saying buy this seminar, but I'm saying check the books out. He has a lot of great ideas talking about wealth and how you can envision yourself with your next big stock. So I read a couple of his books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is like one of the #1 sellers listed here, but another one is How to Retire Young, How to Retire Rich. So that's one of my favorite books that I like to read. And I mean, he has several books, and one of the topics he talk about who stole my pension. So that's why, on his channel, we talk about, buying stocks, because the only way you can be successful is controlling your own fate. I mean, you control it a little bit by, investing in your 401k and a standard mutual fund or index fund. But the real way you change your financial future is buying assets, whether that's stocks, crypto, or even real estate, or starting your own business. So thank you for stopping by the channel today. And we're going to get into it, my top stocks. Let's see here. All right. So Google was up 0.83% today. Snap was up 0.33% today. CMG was flat at 0.06%. Coinbase, or ticker symbol COIN, was up 4.35%, and ticker UPST, or Upstart, was up 5% as well. And Square was up 5.28%. So quite a bit of tech was up today. It was an extraordinary day as far as tech. Just to go through the numbers, let's see. Okay, in the top movers, Score Media and Gaming was up $32.90, 81%. Zymergen was up 77%. Citame was up 30%, and Astra Space was up 27%. Also, this article is listed here. CNBC, Target, and Walmart education deals are inflection point in the war for workers, says Guide Education CEO. So, if many of you may not know, Target and Walmart and a few other big time employers have decided to pay for GEDs and pay for college education for their employees. So that is the news today. In Robinhood, there's a couple other articles here. We also know that the Biden play is getting closer to a deal, so that's also going on. Also a good article here. Ford to offer salary buyouts, hopes to cut 1,000 U.S. positions. So again, the stock was up today, 3.53%. Stock is making serious moves. It is part of the electrical vehicle transformation happening to this country. And some states are planning to be all electric by 2030. So that is all what's in the news. Let's get back to my other account. See my top stocks of the day. Okay, HMHC, or Huon Mifflin Harcourt, was up 17% today. Ticker symbol AMC, or AMC Entertainment Holdings, was back up 12.23%. Penn, PENN, Penn National Gaming, was up 9%. Ticker symbol SBCE or Virgin Galactic was back up 8.12%. Ticker symbol CHPT, ChargePoint was up 6.8%. And MGM Resorts was up 6.44%. So quite a bit of stocks was up. We talked about Square being up. That's another big tech. We talked about UPST, Upstart Holdings, being up yesterday. And again, today they were up. So quite a bit of tech was up today. We had a lot of 6% gainers. Uber was back up 3% after good earnings yesterday. GM was up today after being down at 52 yesterday. One of the stocks I sold off was UAVS, AEG Aerial. I sold off today because pretty much they've been down in my portfolio, so I took some profit with them. Cheesecake was up today, back up 2.27%. So it was quite a bit of a good day for the stock market. Overall, there were several stocks, like I said earlier, were up over 6%. And also, we did have Robinhood did fall in the opposite direction after large gains yesterday, 50% gains yesterday. So yesterday on August 4th, the stock shot up from 40 something dollars a share up to over $60 a share. So the stock did fall back today. The stock was down a little over 27% on the day, and that was expected. So Robinhood had its first big day yesterday, and today it took a real breather. The company, I believe, decided to file to sell some more shares, and so that would help some of the pre-existing investors. So the stock took a huge dip. It says Robinhood tanks 27% after shareholders file to sell. So after the big event yesterday, Robinhood decided to take off a bit. But if you went up 50% and then you went back down 20%, that's not a bad move. I think it'll slowly decline back to $40 per share. So I think after that big run up, give it a quarter or two. I'm not sure if it's really safe yet to get started in Robinhood, but give it 3 or 4 months, find out where it trades at, whether it's a $35 stock or a $40 stock, find that balance out, because right now you can't figure it out. It's up way too much. It's way too volatile. As this article says, the stock was below $38 after Tuesday's open, and now it's back up over 40 something dollars a share or $50 a share. Be very careful. So give this stock a couple of months, maybe buy some now, but buy the bulk of your shares later. I'm pretty sure they have some different things going on, but the stock is way too early to make any judgments on it. So, as you can see, there's not even enough data here on this chart. So this is the Robinhood. It's like I said, it's only been out 5 days. So if you're going to take a position, maybe start a position tomorrow and then give it 3 months and then take another dip into Robinhood. But this happens with all IPOs. They pretty much sometimes come out the gate and shoot up, and other times they come out the gate and they kind of steady and they slowly increase. So if you're going to be a Robinhood investor, look at the long-term picture. Don't look at the first 3 weeks or the first month or two, because that won't give you enough time to understand what they're trying to do in the market. So Robinhood markets was down 27% today, and that's generally how some stocks start off, considering they ran up 50% on the day yesterday. So that's my quick peek on Robinhood. Another stock that was up again today was Square. So Square, the fintech company, which is led by Jack Dorsey and Jim McClavey, was up 5.78%, and they're still doing great things. And it's saying time to buy Square stock post acquisition. So again, what happens is on Monday, they made the announcement that they were buying Afterpay. And after 3 or 4 days, that information settles through Wall Street, and the analysts reevaluate the company and say, okay, now that you've acquired this company, you were worth, let's say, 8 billion before, and after you acquire this other company, you might be worth $10 billion. So that after the stock flows through the analysts, they make a decision. That's probably why the stock ran up today. So just had to take a look. Keep your eye on this stock. As I stated earlier this year, I knew this stock would get back to the 52-week high of $283. It was up to $281 on a day. I am not surprised by Jack Dorsey and the team at Square, because they've been doing this for a long time. And even when he's been working with Twitter, he's an innovator, he's a disruptor, and Square was the first disruption technology in the fintech space. Yes, you have very similar companies like PayPal, but Square was the original. I've been involved, like I said, with Square for over 6 years. And if you could look back, 2015, when the company IPO'd, in fact, I think I even got the IPO shares at $9 per share. I got it through an IPO company way back when at $9 per share. And today the stock is trading at $281. So kudos to Square. That's one of my top stocks of the day. And I'm really enjoying this whole YouTube thing. I hope you're enjoying the content. Also, check out this website called Crunchbase. It's where you can find out about some of these really cool disruptors, Robinhood included. You can get a full background on the company when it was founded and all the way up till today. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, leave your comments below. And also I have the Webull link, the Robinhood link. And if you like, I also have the M1 Finance link below. So if you want free shares of stock, you also have the option of Webull. You download Webull and you make a deposit, open the account. Basically, they'll give you a free share of stock, and the same with Robinhood. Download the app today and get a free share of stock. So thanks for watching. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you on the next video.